Hello and welcome to Consentio's Conflict Coaching Training course. My name is John Gray and the purpose of this very short video is to introduce myself, to give you a chance to put a face to the name, and to say a few words by way of introduction to the material that the course will cover. And the course itself brings together two core concepts, that of coaching and that of conflict. So we'll be looking at definitions of coaching and its role in workplace situations to support the awareness, capacity to choose, and capacity to act of our colleagues. And we'll also be looking at conflict, particularly, of course, in a workplace context, how such workplace conflicts arise, the behaviours that people demonstrate within those conflicts, and how the behaviours themselves get confused with the fact of the conflict itself. And underpinning that will be a core framework of essential skills around listening, questioning, about building rapport, and about bringing coaching intention to supporting a colleague's awareness and ability to act. And the course will leave you with some conflict analysis tools that you can use in your work alongside the other interventions that your roles in the organisation require you to fulfil. So my background is that I've been coaching in workplace situations, coaching those in leadership roles and those in positions of influence for over 10 years now. And I also have a background in alternative dispute resolution. I ran a mediation service for a while and so mediated myself and also supervised and managed colleagues involved in mediation. I also teach on coach training courses. So I have the privilege of both practicing as coach and of teaching coaching and of learning and seeing the benefit of both practices together. I offer supervision to coaches and to mediators, and way back when I was originally a solicitor, which gives me a sense of the legal framework around workplace conflict. So I hope that brings a relevant and interesting range of skills and experience. And I'm really looking forward to the course and to learning with you and alongside you and to sharing the expertise and insights and experience that I bring in support of your work to be more effective in conflict coaching on a day-to-day basis. So I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.